Building a cohort-based course can be extremely challenging, but today we're going to talk about the best tools you can use to build one in 2022. So first, what is a cohort-based course? Cohort-based courses are live online courses where students are guided through the curriculum together as a cohort. Several advantages to running a cohort-based course, but one of the best is that it's more engaging. Learning online finally feels like learning in person. It's based around community, there's peer-to-peer learning, and there's live mentorship. There's three main categories of tools that you'll need to use to build a cohort-based course: a community platform, learning management system, and a virtual event manager. Now let's break those down individually. Community platform is simply where your community gathers. It's either a real-time chat or a forum-based space where members can get to know each other and for you to be able to share announcements. The most popular community platforms out there are Slack, Discord, and Circle. But if you're building any sort of online course, Circle is the winner, and that's the one that I recommend for most people. Discord and Slack are great, but when it comes to hosting content, processing payments, Circle is just a more robust solution with a cheaper price point that will scale with your community. Next up, learning management system. Now, this is essentially where you host all the content for your course. Your LMS is where your curriculum is hosted. Your videos, your PDFs, all your content. And the three most popular LMSs out there for course creators are Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. Also, if you're just getting started out, you might not even need a full-on LMS. You can even use Notion or Circle. Let's talk about the virtual event manager. This is the tool you're going to be using to facilitate all of your live programming. Most programs will probably be fine with using Google Calendar, spreadsheets, and some sort of automation tool like Zapier. Great beginner solution, it really doesn't scale. Ultimately, you're going to want a tool that makes it easy for you to collaboratively build out your events calendar, get the right people into your events, and automatically track all that data and make it easily exportable into a third-party database. For most people, Google Calendar will be just fine, but if you really want to use a VEM, the one I recommend is Virtually. Virtually integrates with all of your existing tools: Zoom, Slack, Circle, Google Calendar, Airtable, and so many more. And it will automate the process of creating your events and sharing calendar invites with your community. Also, a big benefit is it'll automatically track your attendance and collect feedback from your live sessions. So you'll be able to see trends all from one place. And if you want to export that to Airtable, it can do that too. So there you have it. Those are the three categories of tools that you need to build a cohort-based course. For additional resources and links, check out the description. But with that, I hope you found this helpful, and this is Ish, signing off.